Hi guys, I just received my Walmart um, beauty, what is it, beauty box for fall 2019. I have taken the items out of the box, and I just want you to please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and let's get down to it. And this is the card that comes in there, and it says, "Hello Sunshine, rate and review this season's products at walmart.com." And then at the bottom it says hashtag Walmart. So yeah. And now I will be showing you the items that I received. The first one is Biore, and it says free your pores, and it's in witch hazel ultra deep cleansing pore strip, and you get one strip for your nose, and it's supposed to remove two times more deep pore clogs. I want to try that. So that sounds good. Then the next thing I got is Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. And it is in Very Black. And this is a mascara. The next item that I received is Roc, and it's a eye cream, visibly reduces wrinkles around the eyes, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. And these are all a decent size. The next thing I received here is Nivea, and it says it's a body lotion. This is like a sample in aloe vera, 48 hours, soothing moisture and fast absorbing deep moisture serum. So this is what this looked like. It's just a little sample. And then the next items that I received is Blistex, and I got two of these. And it says it's a lip moisturizer, conditioning lip serum, and it says 1 drop deeply conditions, and it says neutral rich oil and vitamin E. So I got two of these, and they're pretty big. So here's one of them. And here's the other one that I received. So yeah, these are all of the ones that I received. They gave me like these little, I don't know, it's like a coupon maybe, or it's just telling you about the product. So this is for this one, the lip serum Blistex. And it also has the other ones that you can get. And then here's the Biore, and it tells you about the product. And also a Roc refreshes and revitalizes the skin around your eye. And then this is another thing. I didn't receive this. This is probably why I received 2 of the Blistex. I see that some people did get this. So yeah, this is the razors, the disposable razors. I already have these, but yeah. And these are all the items that I received in my Walmart beauty box, and it is $5. And again, this is for fall 2019. And yeah, this is a decent amount of products. So I just want to thank you for watching, and just to tell you goodbye.